Welcome to the world of Pillsbury carrot cake mix. Today, we will explore an exciting aspect of this delicious dessert. Carrot cake is not just a treat, it is also a clever way to sneak in some vegetables into your diet. You might be wondering how a cake can be good for you. The answer lies in the ingredients. Carrots, the star of the show, are packed with nutrients. They are a great source of vitamins, especially vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for good vision. It also supports a healthy immune system. But that is not all. Carrots also provide fiber. Fiber is important for digestive health. It can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Adding fiber to your diet can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Pillsbury carrot cake mix makes it easy to enjoy these benefits. With just a few simple steps, you can create a delicious cake that is both tasty and nutritious. The mix includes real carrots, which means you get the goodness without any extra effort. When you bake with Pillsbury, you are not just enjoying a dessert, you are also incorporating a vegetable that many people might overlook. Carrots are often seen as a snack or a side dish, but in this cake, they take center stage. Let's talk about the flavor. Carrot cake is known for its warm and comforting taste. It is usually spiced with cinnamon and nutmeg. These spices complement the natural sweetness of the carrots. The result is a rich and satisfying dessert that can be enjoyed by everyone. If you are looking for a way to boost your fiber intake, this cake is an excellent choice. Each slice offers a serving of vegetables. This can help you meet your daily fiber needs. It is a tasty way to take care of your health. You can also add your own twist to the Pillsbury carrot cake mix. Consider mixing in nuts or raisins for added texture. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also provide additional nutrients. Walnuts, for instance, are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. If you want to make the cake even more special, top it with cream cheese frosting. This classic pairing adds a rich and tangy flavor. It makes the carrot cake even more indulgent. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to prepare. Simply follow the instructions on the box. You will need some eggs, water, and oil. Mixing everything together takes only a few minutes. Then, pour the batter into a baking pan and let the oven do the rest. In about 30 minutes, you will have a warm and fragrant carrot cake. Your kitchen will smell amazing. The anticipation will build as you wait for it to cool. Once it is ready, slice it up and serve it to family and friends. They will be amazed that they are eating a dessert that includes vegetables. This is a wonderful way to introduce healthy eating habits without sacrificing flavor. For those who are health conscious, you can feel good about serving this cake. It is a dessert that offers nutritional benefits. It combines the joy of baking with the goodness of vegetables. Remember, enjoying dessert does not mean you have to feel guilty. With Pillsbury carrot cake mix, you can indulge in a treat that also supports your health. So why not try it out? Next time you want to bake something special, reach for the Pillsbury carrot cake mix. You will not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also enjoy the benefits of vegetables. In conclusion, Pillsbury carrot cake mix is a delightful option for anyone looking to integrate more fiber into their diet. It allows you to enjoy a delicious dessert while also getting the advantages of carrots. Thank you for your time watching this. Like and subscribe for future content.